Sought after lake location at Atlantic Shores. This unit is positioned perfectly on the lake for wonderful views from the living room and bay window with lots of natural light. Monthly fee of $3,360 first person / $12.50 second person includes but not limited to electricity, water, sewer, gas, trash removal, housekeeping, laundry service, and next maintenance, social activities, scheduled transportation, concierge service, 24-hour security. Dining stipend of $200 per person / mo included in above fees.